Alright, so this is my setup, all the pieces and everything. I haven't put anything together, but here's the control box I've been building. It's really apart right now because I was tinkering with it. But, you know, side walls, and then here's the top part. There's going to be plug in here, right there, and then there's a panic button that goes right there. Anyways, so, yeah, control board, fan normally goes right here, cooling system, and I only have one motor hooked up. Yeah. So there's a computer. I can push manual driving, so I can go. Thing like that. Yeah, that's pretty cool.